Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist, and here are the headlines while we were away. U.S. says China is going to buy 87 million tons of soybeans through 2028. We had U.S. Agriculture Secretary Brooke Rollins said in a post on X. So that is good news for soybeans. Soybeans are up today as well on that news. We have Macron and Merz to confirm their COP attendance. COP is the major climate conference that they have every year. That said, it looks like most people won't be coming except for the EU. China, U.S. and India have all said they will not attend for the second year in a row, and more countries are coming in saying that they won't be attending, which is kind of amazing, being that 5 years ago it was one of the largest things ever. Next, we have Goldman CEO says the U.S. is heading for a debt reckoning if growth flags. He said, if we continue on our current course and don't take the growth level up, there will be a reckoning. And this is David Solomon, the CEO of Goldman Sachs. He said the path out is a growth path. Though he said he saw a low chance of a recession in the near term. He said Western economies are becoming addicted to debt-fueled stimulus, and fiscal stimulus and aggressive fiscal policy is really just embedded in the way that democratic economies are operating, and it's been accelerating meaningfully over the last 5 years, which we all know. So just a warning from Goldman Sachs. Then this is kind of just a really interesting piece of information. So AI hyperscalers own more than $1 trillion of kit. So that means for the Mag 7 companies that have reported earnings so far this season, we still have 2 more. Between all these people, the group continues to spend huge amounts of money on building new data centers, property, plants, equipment. In other words, all the data centers, all the stuff inside them is now up 39% versus a year ago to more than 715 billion. And to put that in perspective, that's enough to buy the entire taxable property in Manhattan and still have cash left over. And then we have Amazon and Apple expected to report. Amazon's expected to report 399 billion, and Apple, which is in a huge AI hyperscaler, is going to be about another 50 billion, and that's enough to buy all the taxable property in Brooklyn too. So all told, these guys have more than $1 trillion worth of physical stuff on their balance sheets. So you can understand why investors are getting a little worried that they're not seeing the ROI on all these investments yet. So just something to keep an eye on. We have the dollar rallying to the highest since August on Fed hawkishness. We talked a little bit about that this morning. This is also because we have what's fueling this is also a weaker yen, and that's because obviously the hawkish stance. We don't know if we're going to get a December cut or not, or at least Powell alluded to that. Meanwhile, we know that the BOJ are delaying any hikes until December, and so that is putting upward pressure on the dollar as well. And last but not least, we had a report out on how much U.S. electricity prices are rising, and we haven't even seen this entire shift yet to AI. And I keep kind of talking about this. I think all of this is very bullish for energy into next year, but it's also going to add a lot of inflationary pressures in the U.S. So I don't think inflation is over yet. And we heard from Brian Westbury this morning, and he thinks inflation's not over yet either, but for a different reason. So pair those two together and take that for what you will. And with that, that is what is moving markets this afternoon. And I will hand it over to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Shai. Let's talk about soybeans. I have a soybean daily candle. We talked about this morning, and so let's keep that rolling here. Remember, soybeans have some weird hours. All right, it's not your regular Globex hours. You can see it up there on the screen. Basically, it's 7 p.m. all night till 7:45 a.m. And then there's like this 45-minute, and those are Central Time. I'm doing them in Central Time because it's CBO time. Then there's that like 45-minute pause, and then 8:30 to 1:20 Central Time. So, if you're looking at a chart this afternoon, you're like, hey, it's not moving. Well, it's because it's closed, right? So keep that in mind. It's not that 23-hour period. But in any event, a nice kind of move up. I mean, all the moving averages just crossed over to a positive disposition on the 23rd. And we're trading at $11.07 a bushel right now. It's a high close, right? We're closing at the highs right now. Let's look to the intraday. So super strong on news. A lot of different news, but news in particular with China. Supposedly they're going to buy lots and lots of soybeans. In any event, I know we're done for the day here, but I just wanted to show one day min. I'm telling you, it's a good guideline. We got right up to it. We closed at it. We traded above it a little bit, but it was a nice target. It ended up almost being a competing point of control, a P-shaped distribution here on the soybeans. So we'll keep track of that as we go forward here. Let's shoot over to gold. Gold is doing pretty good today. And I'll pop up a daily chart. And by the way, at the bottom, you see my alerts log. I'm going to talk about that in a second. The gold, we have a bullish engulfing pretty much of a candle, even though maybe we're going to fall short of previous session's wick, but we're just getting right up to that 21 EMA right now, just short of it. Day's not over yet, 40-30, spot one. This is one of XYZ's new favorite markets. And he told me before the show that if he does well today in gold, that he is actually buying the steak dinner for me in Las Vegas when he sees me. So thank you for that, XYZ. Appreciate you, man. Love you, brother. Let's shoot over to an intraday chart right here. You can see we're trading at the again, there's not even a wick hardly at the top of this candle here. This is a breakout again. This is the second time we're trying to break out of the initial balance right now, and it's moving. This should go throughout the day. Previous session's highs, 46.2, and then that 0 DTE call resistance, it's in red. It must be important. That's at 40.50.1, and then 1-day max again is right above that. So we'll see if we could pop up. VWAP is like slowly sloping up. It's positive slope, so I'm going to take it. And the bands are slowly sloping up. So we'll see if we get that push into the end of the day. What's not doing so good is the Bitcoin. Let's go. Remember, we're going to roll over this guy pretty soon, maybe as early as tomorrow. You got to look at the volume. It's a monthly contract, but looking at the October contract, two decisive trend channels down. We have a double bottom right now that's highlighted by my plum-colored rectangle. We'll see if it holds or if it doesn't hold. Right now, it's looking pretty negative. That's stochastic right now. Look at that. It's about to cross under. And not only is it about to cross under, it's about to cross under in the middle of the field, right? Between that 80 and 20. So that's kind of a negative barometer, I would say. So we'll see if the Bitcoin holds or not, but that's where we're sitting. Intraday, we left VWAP in the rearview mirror. And I don't know, what time was this? This was approximately 7:30, 8 o'clock candle. Right when we broke that call resistance level, that red line. It's red because it's important. We broke on through it. VWAP is way up here right now. Initial balance, kind of small, but we did trickle down a little bit more to that S2 level. That's part of the daily pivot study. So Bitcoin again is trading at session lows right now. Will it break through any lower? I don't know, but every time we do get to the bottom of the day, we get a little bit of buying back up to that 1-day min. So keep that in mind for the Bitcoin. The alert window here, I wanted to show you guys something because you could set up alerts on this thing pretty nicely here. And it could be a regular alert. Like, hey, Jim, this market did something, right? We hit the 1-day min, we hit the 1-day max, or we hit the call resistance level and it'll ding. And it'll pop up into this alert box. The other thing you could do also for alerts is, let's say that you decided to a program or strategy that says, hey, if price touches the VWAP from the bottom, then I want to sell a contract because it's a VWAP touch situation. And then you could program it to do that on any indicator, and then boom. It's simple. It's not even programming. It's just right click, left click. I'll show you when we have more time. But then that alert could pop up in your alert box as well. Hey, you just got short. So it's very handy here. I'm going to start using it more and more and show it off a little bit more. I just wanted to point that out on today's Edge Report. We are ready to trade the close. We have Stowe 42 and XYZ. How you doing, gentlemen?
Hey, Jim. Hey, XY. What's up, brother?
Good, 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 good.
I'm glad to see that you didn't get fired. I was stressing
I
about
don't
that a
know.
little.
It was weird. I woke up at some point, got to my desk. This is dude with a mask on. Anyways, we got him in the basement. We took care of that.
Good,
You
good,
guys
good.
might
Yeah,
never
that,
see him again.
that guy was a shitty trader anyway.
Yeah, I know. I heard.
Oh my God. Awesome job though this morning. Super cool. You're having a good day today, XYZ, aren't you?
I think today, right now, as it stands, unless I totally fuck everything up in the next 90 minutes, this is the best day of October for me.
Beautiful.
And what a
Nice.
send off it would be. This is a scalper's dream today in
Yep.
both markets.
You used the phrase scalper's paradise.
I did
Oh,
say that
yeah.
earlier. Yeah, I felt a little cringy for saying it out loud, but it was true.
No judgment,
Yeah.
man.
It
No
was
It
judgment.
really
wild.
is. Honestly, today when you see something on the tape, it's going to happen. The
Yeah.
degree in which it happens varies, but
Right.
it's going to happen. So if you
Yeah.
scale out as a scalper as it's happening, you can't lose. You can't. It's just, this is the best day,
Let me remind
honestly.
everybody, past performance not indicative of future results.
Yes, very true. Also, reminder: XY doesn't represent me in any sort of way. If anybody has any sort
Let me get the guy in the basement back. I think he's more professional.
Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna need
XY,
my.
you can share your screen now if you want.
Oh, oops.
And
Let me
Stowe,
go
I
there.
see an order on your
Oh, good. Thank you, Jim.
on your platform, buddy.
No, I had a.
Oh no.
No, it was that was just arresting.
False
I
alarm.
did. I did take. I've taken a bunch of shots at this 85 guy, and now we're above him. Yeah, like XY said, like if something's happening on the book, like it's gonna happen today, and oh Lord, they're gonna make me get back in, and just like that, they pull me back in. Yeah, the Delta's been extremely responsive. Big buyers, big sellers are all like tipping their hand, I guess is a good way to talk about it, at least with the stuff that we look at. So I
So
don't
so
know.
it's not there's no fake outs is what you're saying. It's a legit signal.
Honestly, like when this guy bought 85, it was so obvious that I thought that it was a lie. It was so clear that I was like, there's no way that this signal is going to work. There's no way. But it did. I have to take that trade. So yeah, I took it and it worked a bunch of times. Yeah, now we just need to get back above them to get back into what would be, I guess, kind of a balanced day. There's also a bunch of delta at 68.90, a bunch of delta at 6,900 that has been a total pain. So yeah,
Okay.
I don't know.
So you're exclusively focused on the E-mini S&P 503 stock index futures.
Yes. Well, for trading it, this day has moved so fast. I would have definitely been murdered in NQ, but for sure. But I am also glued to NQ at the same time, because there's big players abound on both sides today. So yeah,
Got it.
it's a lot. Yeah, it's like game 5. Feels like game 5.
Uh-oh.
I mean, it's so crazy that even if you're on the wrong side of a trade, if you're scalping it, you're making your money
Yep.
because it's really moving, right? When someone's showing off that crazy order flow,
Yeah.
it's gonna happen until they get back to the prior crazy order flow. There's just a lot of aggression in the market today. Don't know why, but yeah, they're pushing the pace, both
Yeah.
sides.
It's not even rotating, really. It's just kind of going straight up, stopping, straight down, stopping, straight up, stopping.
Right.
Which is hard. This is definitely hard mode, but once you get to know this kind of pace, It's really good. It's really nice. So
And then
Just been
XYZ, you got the
sitting
gold
in.
going.
I just been sitting in this runner for a while actually. Peeled off along the way, overnight high. So in the morning I did say as they pushed up, I wanted to buy these prices right here,
Yeah.
but stream ended. I turned everything off. I left. Coming back, this is what I came back to. I came back to this. So I missed this long, but you know how I always say the market makes choices. I can see that they've made the choice down here. This spot is going to stay bid. And if
Yeah.
it's going to stay bid, we're going to keep going up. So I actually got long after this pullback here, got my size off, came back, took out my runner, and then I got long again when they swept this. So the order flow here was interesting. If anyone looks at gold order flow, you might want to replay this spot because when they finally came back to the spot, so much buying and selling. It was so much I was between, all right, I'm open to both sides. I'm open to longing and shorting this spot right now. So as price eventually fell under the buying and they ticked what, like we'll say 5, 6 ticks lower, zero volume. So when they finally had room to push the buyers out, they didn't do anything at all. So as they came back into the buying, I saw the buying still sustained, got long again, pulled back into my entry, and then just ran off and I scaled out along this way. But this was pivotal. If anyone wants to see gold order flow, this is very key to review. You will learn a lot of things.
that's cool. I'll watch it. I'll go back and watch
This
that
was
because I
huge.
need something. I need something to
This was huge.
lean
This
on.
was you see the order flow. One side finally gets the advantage. They do absolutely nothing with it. Game is on. So I just been
Awesome.
sitting in this. Stalking NQ, I think it's gonna be decent longs down here. I mean, if you zoom out, it's where they've been bid. So as soon as
Yeah.
selling starts to step off, I'm gonna try to initiate some longs for sure.
Oh,
And
yeah,
this gold trade, I'm gonna let this
that gold
go.
trade's making for a nice bottle of wine, by the way.
Yeah, no, I need this runner to continue because, like you said, this is our dinner. It's our dinner money. So
There you go.
I will say, when Tracy's talking, my trades just go. They're running. But when you got on the mic, we
Oh,
were up
no.
here. We were up here. I think I was floating like 1300. And when you got on the mic, it was like this J-Pow effect where it just trickled down.
Good morning.
Shy makes everything a little bit better. I will not. I will admit that for sure. Oh my God.
Yeah, but
Anyway, so,
gold will
and you
take
have your
it.
Tracy,
stop at you
Mom,
have your
the meatloaf.
you have your stop at. Would you say zero R? You guys talk in terms of R's. What did you say your stop
My
is?
stop is just break even. The R is infinite at this point. I'm gonna just let this gold thing run. I
He's
might
like
cover that prior
Thanos
day
with the
high.
R. The
Yeah,
R
this
cannot
is
be defeated.
infinite R on this
Infinite
right now.
R.
So yeah, as I was goofing off, I missed the NQ long, but whatever.
All right.
It's
Yeah. So
it's cool. They need to get over this 620. They keep squeezing off of this. I'm still waiting to get above this 85 guy too.
nice.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well,
It's
we'll
not
see you
nice,
guys.
Jim. There's a 6,900 seller that's been rewarded, and I'm tired of it. This is
Stowe's
anti-American.
got a new enemy.
It's the end of the month. You're right. I do.
New enemy for new contract.
We have a Red Dawn brewing over here in Pittsburgh right now.
That movie's sick. Great reference, Jim. Great reference.
Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. Anyway, all right, guys. By the way, I just did a video on how to use the playback feature on the NinjaTrader platform. It's super easy to do, and it is very, very helpful.
Yes.
Mike Burke's writing a blog on it. It'll be posted in the Learn Center within a week or so. I don't want to put words in Mike's mouth, but he's working on it.
That's awesome. I need that because I need to do the next video I have to do is all going to be Delta replay stuff. So I'm
Okay.
excited to dig in and learn the NinjaTrader replay function a little better. And yeah, we can get people on board too with those videos too.
Yeah,
So that's
I mean,
awesome.
if you could work an old-fashioned cassette player, you could work this.
I can work that.
All right, there you go. All right, guys. Last announcement. We're going to stick around a couple of minutes after. I think we're going to see some Amazon earnings right at the bell. So, or within
That's
a
cool.
few minutes. So, if you guys could stick around for a couple minutes and just to kind of look at the price action, that'd be great.
This freaking guy.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, that's cool with me.
Okay. All right. All right. Best of luck, you guys. I'm dipping over in the chat and we'll be
Okay.
taking notes.
Okay, brother.
Yeah, so this was a great Long opportunity down here. Very obvious too.
How many? I mean,
I think I'm about to have a very active power hour.
yeah, I'm afraid I am too.
Afraid? No, this is a good thing. This is a good thing.
There's all this,
We're
there's
gonna
this dude
send.
again up here. I don't know what they're trying to get to.
Okay.
75 was pretty good.
There's some huge alpha in the chat. If you delete the text in the label part of the indicator, you can get rid of all the white text. No way.
Yeah, it's true. Yep. Just delete that label
Oh,
bit.
oh, so you've known. I see.
I have known that. Has that been a
I s-
problem for you?
Yes, actually.
I'm
Look
sorry.
how
I should have
ugly it
helped you out.
is.
My bad.
It's like I know that I have these on the chart. I don't need to see it.
I see.
I'll take care of that. Thank you for that, Z Phoenix. Do we think new lows?
I don't
Well,
know. I don't know.
I want to say yes. I think so. They're they're really bidding this spot. I mean, they've been doing so for a while, but they're not getting anything out of it. And each bid is kind of weaker and weaker right now. So for gold, I hope it's not new lows, obviously. That would suck. But yeah, for indexes, I mean, as soon as they breached, I'm looking at the 84s and 82s in ES, and if we're trading below them, it's not that great because
Yeah.
they bought a lot. They bought so much at those prices.
Yep.
And so that kind of kills the vibe a little bit, I'm not gonna lie.
The vibe is weird. The vibe is very strange
It's
right
a
now.
weird
This
one.
80, yeah, the 84, 85 guy is winning. I think there was like 4,000, 5,000 lots that got absorbed down there. It took him like, I don't know, it took him like 3 trips to get filled completely on the bid. So resistance now, not surprising. And we're kind of testing. Yeah, we didn't. The reason I don't want to pull the trigger quite yet is we didn't quite get into. I'd like to see 73.
70, wait, hold on.
It's hard to see. There's this
You want to
little.
see what now?
Whoa, that was a big sweep. Like 68, 73 somewhere down here,
Mm,
get test and then quick reject. This little tap to 75, 25. It just felt it was just not strong enough for me.
like fake newsy?
I don't know. There's also some dude on the offer now, messing around. So got that working against me.
He's on the NQ offer too. They've been trying to
Yeah.
buy through it and
Nope.
no luck.
No luck.
Decent range, so for anyone that is scalping, you'll get paid. Hopefully they hold this. This would be nice.
We keep popping out of this.
If we hold this now, I think it would be pretty nice
Yeah.
because they finally came a little lower and just got stuffed.
I can't believe that 970 dude on NQ he did so much business this morning that he has been the point of control all day. Like they gave it to him as a trophy. Like
Nine,
here you are. Here you are, sir.
You said 970?
Yeah.
970. Oh,
25, 970.
yeah, he messed up my profile, man. I hated it.
I know.
I was looking at
I hate it
ES's
when that
volume
happens.
profile because I was like, look at NQ. It looks ridiculous.
Yep.
I'm gonna test some small longs NQ here.
Yeah, the offer's reloading, but I don't know. Yeah, it could go either way. I don't have any clarity on this read until we're above 84 and we keep popping out of it and getting sucked back in. So my list of enemies is actually quite long for the day. I hate this 85 guy for sure. And then I also got a 90 guy I don't really like. I liked him for a little bit and then he turned on me.
So you've got a lot of beefs in this Z contract, huh?
I do.
You have a lot of enemies in Z.
Normally, I make a lot of friends in Z.
Oh.
So maybe these enemies can be frenemies shortly. Yeah, look at the Dom. They got like 500 lots stacked every
I'm eyeing the all the
three-points up there.
players right below 26K because
There
there's
you
a
go.
lot of
Go fill them.
selling. There was a lot of selling under 26. So
Got that
as long as they
83.
can hold it above, I'm okay with the longs. Tight leash. I'm still ready to scratch this out at any point. We'll see. It's like this is the moment of truth for these guys.
Yeah. We're at the
They've got a
squiggly
nice
line too.
hold, but what are they gonna do with it? Only 2 lots. I'm not gonna add on to this.
I got this guy too. It's just sitting here. Just sitting here. Go up and get 90 would be awesome.
That's a boogie. All right, I'm gonna try to take a cover up here.
Man, I have my I have my NQ chart so squished. It's hilarious. I can't remember the last time I had it this small just to be able to see the price action.
Yeah, I always scrunch my charts up so I don't get lost in the sauce.
Yeah.
I'm scratching out the NQ long. See how gold's doing it.
But anyways, what's up, chat? You guys okay? This has been a hard mode day, so it's okay to just chill. It's okay to chill and wait.
Well, someone says I'm short full clip. Okay.
Here?
I don't know. I hope not.
from right now?
I certainly
It's
hope
it,
not.
it seems aggressive, but I mean,
Hope you
okay.
win.
You guys do whatever. Yeah, you feel free.
Why gold long? So I don't know if were you in my morning stream? We were really eyeing this spot when they popped it. This low volume spot, 4K and under in the zone, wanted to get long, but I left desk after the stream, so I didn't see it. But coming back, I can see that they held it, right? They're holding it, they're holding it, they've made their choice. So we're looking for longs. And order flow things happened, some scalps happened. And gold is an ATM machine today. Absolutely. Yes.
That's awesome. What do I need? Do I need 3 o'clock to happen? Like, what do I need? What do I need? Are they gonna punish me and just close it down here? Is that the plan?
Want me to ask that guy in my basement, T Trades or whatever his name is?
Yeah.
He's got some sort of model. I can go back there and check with him real quick.
Somebody needs to check on something. I tell you what. Yeah.
So we're gonna get a good candle close in 2 minutes on gold, hopefully. And if we do, I think I will hold on to it even longer because of that. Try to get prior day high. I think it's possible.
So grinding lower. This finally looks like some price action, at least. My
Does
head
my
is on
gold
such a swivel today.
strategy? My gold strategy does not differ from NQ. I will trade every market the same because everything to me is a market. It's just auction market theory stuff. Tricky part is if gold starts giving out right here, this would be the 4th attempt at these prices, and I don't think I want to hold through that. Thinking about it now.
Have you
But
done the what's your theory on, like, you know how we can buy we can sometimes buy NQ 4 times. Can you do the same thing on gold? Does it have the food bank all
oh,
set?
absolutely. Look
Okay,
at
cool.
this. Look at this level.
Let me see. Let me blow up the screen.
This is a
Sorry,
food
I've been
bank. This
glued to
is
the tape for 9,000 years. Oh
absolutely
my god.
a food bank. Absolutely a food
Cool.
bank.
Good,
It's
good,
so
good.
good. I bought all the way up here earlier and
Wow.
it still worked. Like gold is, look, all you need to know is this very, very special line. If you're above it, just buy the longs. If you're below it, just get the shorts. It'll
Okay.
all work out. It'll all work out.
Cool.
Cool.
I love it. I love a
Cool.
squiggly line. I love it. That's good.
Chris
Neat.
also longed that. So I think he's
He
having
did-
a good
he did
time over on
job.
gold.
Yep.
I've never pulled up a silver chart, so I don't know, Zenny. No
Chris is probably
silver.
like, these turkeys finally caught up to me. They're trading gold.
Rack, I've got some order flow on gold now, finally. Yeah, Chris is in the chat making plenty money today.
Hey, Chris. Yeah, great trading, homie.
Well, I don't know what Chris did. I know
As always.
Deli longed the gold in the morning. I haven't seen Chris at all today.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I thought he got canned too. No, it's a weird day.
Yeah, so this is
Yeah, we got a nice close 1 hour here, so we'll let this move. I might trail it to the 24s then. I'll trail it up to here. Just using this low volume spot. Hopefully they don't retrace this. It is kind of a new spot.
we got our 3 o'clock turn and nothing really happened at all. There you go. There you go.
What
Is
are we
there a
doing?
bid
We're
there?
moving lower?
Big guy at 75.
I think it's a new low, yes.
This is what I wanted.
I'm gonna put a tight trail on this gold. Let that bake, and gonna lock in 1,030. I'm gonna look over on NQ.
ES definitely doing more work than NQ is right now. NQ finally back to its point of control. Hey, there was still another 104 lots that dude wanted down there.
They both have a buyer that might be really unhappy soon. They're buying it. They're buying the hell out of this thing right now.
Yeah.
It's this freaking line that's ruining my profile.
Yep.
Who is this guy? Is it Jim?
I'm trying to figure if they're chasing this down or not. It looks like 74. Some 68 put like 1,000 lots on too. That's never good.
Yeah, ES is also mega buying, mega bid, both of them. Job says a new low would be encouraging.
No, it wouldn't, Job.
No, don't say that.
Let's see if I can do
Use
it.
my
Take
words.
that back.
A new low would be encouraging.
Stop it. Don't you put that on me.
Yeah,
Don't
mega
you put
bid
that
as
evil on
price
me, Ricky
drops.
Bobby.
Shap cap, it's exactly what's happening. It's mega bid, and they're not getting what they want.
Back in again.
Yeah, the crazy part is there's so much buying, but the delta is still negative. Is that
Yeah.
crazy supply
Yeah.
or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could probably mark this out as a level to move forward past today at this point. This is serious.
What, that 970, dude? Yeah.
Just
it's not
around
good.
this spot because there's so much buying.
Yeah.
There's so much buying, but there's also so much selling. So wherever price breaks from here, I think this is going to be a pretty key spot coming back. Just based off of order flow. So yeah, there's Shap Cap. This is the crazy part. There's passive players both sides, but not commonly do you see aggressive players both sides at the same time. So there's passive buying and selling and market buying and selling both ways. This is
Yeah,
like
it's
very
weird.
intense two-way tape right now. It's to the point where if this thing craters and just falls, it's like, I'm not surprised. But if it holds a super move up, it's also like, I'm not surprised because there's so much inventory being poured into the market.
Yeah.
Oh, is this weekly open ES?
No, Weekly opens like at
Am I
81.
saying wrong? I have a wrong weekly open.
Hey,
Well,
it could be
gold,
me.
gold is doing it.
Don't underestimate my ability to have the wrong level on the chart. So
Guys, gold's doing it. I'm just gonna keep harping on gold till Stowe switches.
it's the peer pressure. That's what they tell me about.
End of month rebalancing. It could be a lot of things, honestly. You're asking the two wrong guys, actually.
Yep. Yeah. The why, not gonna know.
Yeah.
So don't.
What's going on? Sure. Why? Don't know.
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna start trailing it a little more
There's
aggressively
72.
here. Yes, 74 and
Finally
75
got
is very
underneath
crucial
this
now.
guy.
Yeah, I think it's a new low ES, dude. I don't know. This is kind of crazy.
Yep.
ES has not hit IB low yet.
No.
That would be a new low a day if it's
Yeah.
IB low.
That would. I mean, we still need
Both
that
of them.
stat too.
Oh, the stats open. You're right.
Yeah,
Both
stats
sides.
open.
Both products. Yeah, there's so much buying in the 74s that's offsides right now. It's really dicey.
Yep.
NQ is collapsing. There's 100 lot chasing NQ. Oh, filled.
Yep.
Tracy says go gold and silver. Yeah. About to hit 20 points on gold right now, actually.
Big push.
$20 gold. All right. Let's get right under prior day high for this.
Damn,
It's that 1 hour candle close, guys. Look at how strong this bar is. Gonna front run this swing by just a bit. Make sure we get filled.
Okay, that 1,000 lot 68 guy's gone. So that's something. Man, this day seriously has had so many different personalities.
Yeah.
It's like,
And it's like hour by
am,
hour.
I am dizzy. It really has been hour by hour.
That's what I'm telling you. NQ is toxic. Like, it's just so toxic.
Oh, everybody wants me to trade gold.
We just want you to win.
You watch me to start trading that thing, and then you see how fast it slows down.
And everyone just goes back to NQ.
Yep. You want a Jenks?
Everyone goes to ES.
It's like, oh, Stowe, come on over. Yeah, you don't want the
Stowe,
cooler
it's
at
so
your table,
fun.
dude.
Look at how much money we're making. It's so fun.
I feel I'm that meme. I'm just like, hello, fellow kids. I'm here to trade the gold.
It's like, okay, this guy's a cop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody offer that guy Coke. Goes straight to jail. All right, come on.
Jim, we're locking in 1750 for dinner. You still here, Jim?
That's a good dinner.
Oh yeah.
Jim deserves to be spoiled. I personally, I believe that.
He says nice, that's for the wine. I think Jim and I have
Oh.
different lifestyles.
I think so too. Do you know how many Modelo's $1,700 is? That's easily 3,500 Modelo's.
You need to do one of those, like, let me get all Modelo. Just leave the bucket. Just give me the keys to the fridge. Just give me the keys.
Okay, testing this 75. There's a weird offer. There's so many offer games going on ES today. They filled 400 lots at 70 and just quit from there. So I don't know. And that 68 guy's gone.
They're back up to the 74s, yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's hard to trust anything, right?
Yeah.
But on gold, see, gold wouldn't lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Gold wouldn't lie to you, man. Gold knows how to treat somebody.
All right. All right. I need
All right, well, it seems like chat's just inviting themselves to dinner. So I think I need to put more leverage on this gold trade.
possibly.
Oh, Reginald, good afternoon. Let's go. Chat screaming, screaming. Over 500 of us watching. Happy tears. Let's show these guys some heart emoji and get the likes up. Star, twinkle, twinkle star.
I
Happy
love
face.
Reginald.
Prayer hands. Thanks, Reginald. Give a like for the text to speech, huh? Also, this will be my last stream for like 2 weeks until the 14th Friday when I come back. So please,
I'm gonna miss you, bud. Don't
yeah, I'm
forget
gonna
don't
miss you
forget to
guys.
check in and
I think
let
by
us
the
know how
time I
it's
come
going.
back, are we gonna be trading like 30K?
I don't know,
It's
probably.
almost Santa rally time when I come back. So you start to hear them sleigh bells, you better get long. You know what I mean?
Are we doing that this year?
Isn't it every year?
I don't know. I'm not really a seasonality bro.
Never seen Reginald and Alfonso in the same place. Oh,
That's true.
you're right.
Oh
He
boy.
he just kind of like reinvented himself. Thanks, Flappy.
The
Flappy
most
Day.
diabolical thing of all time would just be to fill this ES gap right now. It's like
Where are we on that? I
it's
don't have it.
massive. It's like it's all the way down to 68.40, 42, pretty much.
68.40. Oh.
So it's another 30 points down.
Yeah, the thing is, okay, so looking at ES order flow right now, we had the huge buy in the 74, 75s, right? But they just tested it and there's like no volume there.
I know. I don't know what it's doing. I do not know what it's up to.
I'll tell you what it's not doing. It's not trading that. But gold. Gold wants to ensure that Jim gets to order the fanciest top shelf wine. But the thing is, I'm gonna pay our server extra cash on the side to bring the cheap wine in the expensive bottle
Smart.
when he serves us.
Yep.
So Jim will not have any clue.
That's what I do to my friends. I'm like, can you
That's
put
called manipulation.
can you put these Modelo's in this Miller High Life can? It's the only way my friend will drink this. They keep getting me interested here. And then it fades. I don't like that big brick of an order there at 68.70. That's like the opposite of a taper. It's just sitting there mocking me.
They're really like just fighting. They're knife fighting down here,
I
really.
don't. Yeah,
It's
I
too.
don't
It's
like
really
it.
two-sided. NQ is all but guaranteed to poke and fill that IB stat right now.
Now that's a knife fight.
NQ is not finding the same buying that ES has been, so it's gonna probably drag it down.
More toxic traits.
40, 45 target. Just around prior day high. Just gonna front run it a bit. 40, 45 would be the swing, I think. Yeah. I'm just gonna make sure I get filled. I don't want to be like 1, 2 ticks and then just blow up the whole deal over like $10 because I'll do it. I've done it. I've done it live a few times. Don't really want to do it again. Just waiting for them to make another push so I can tighten the stop further. Just trail it a little higher here. while NQ tries to decide what kind of person it wants to be.
Choose rich, you know, that's what I say. Um, yeah, it does. Yeah, it does look like a. Somebody says it looks like a seek and destroy day. I don't know if that is a. I don't know if that's a trading concept or not. But if it is, you know, Lars is going to come for you. That guy sued Napster. He'll sue you for naming stuff after his song titles.
Yeah,
For
Reginald.
anyone born in the 2000s, Napster was an illegal streaming service that everyone born
Well,
in the
when they
90s
took down
used.
Napster, we all ran to LimeWire. Did you go to LimeWire?
I used Kazaa after Napster.
Kazaa was after LimeWire, so you missed
Okay.
it.
Okay.
LimeWire was the one, and then they went and killed that, and we had to
Okay.
go to Kazaa. By then, it was downtrending, you know.
That makes sense. The most ridiculous thing this market can do is just reverse from here for no reason. By
And
the way.
not touch the IB.
Yeah.
That would be illegal, actually. There should be a disclaimer for that. They cannot broadcast that on stream. It is egregiously illegal. They would have to cut the stream.
All right, it's almost there. There you go. We got them both. We got them both.
All right,
Anybody
guys,
home?
I'm gonna book this runner here.
Anybody around? Wants to buy this now?
All right, Jim, we got a $2,000 budget.
Sweet. Good trade, homie.
Now I'm gonna go hurt myself over an NQ.
I mean, it definitely needed some oomph to get it done. Just step on it, fill the gap. Why? What? I mean, why not?
Well, whoever was like full port short or something,
Oh yeah, they're killing it.
congratulations.
Interesting little ledge here at these 920s too.
Where's the gap at NQ? Oh, it's significantly lower.
There's which one?
Yeah,
There's
which
like
one?
There's
You
8,000.
got one that starts at 800s and one that starts at like the 430s.
Okay, there's that 920 spot. Gonna keep pressing? I mean, we only got 45 minutes, and there is the Leo stat to the downside also, folks. It pains me to say. I'm gonna see if you're gonna get any cover here, or just more gas. I don't see anything getting any lighter. A little bid stack there. Let's see if there's any offer at this IB low. They're gonna let them back in.
All right. All right. Chat's got market calls now.
Okay. What do you think, chat? We filling the gap?
Give me some crystal ball analysis, chat. Let's go.
Okay, NG back to its IB low. It's trying to bid back through, but there's a little seller guy here.
We're going up if I'm short, down if I'm long.
That's fair.
We might be the same person, you and I.
Yeah, not good. Not good to reject 71. Not good. Not good. Well, if they're going to turn it around down here, I can't buy it, unfortunately. Because it's against all my stuff. So I'm just going to have to watch it cruise up without me.
All right,
But it
Austin
doesn't.
Starch just gave us a combo wombo Hadouken Shoryuken combo. Got it.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's not the contra code though. That's what I was hoping for.
Who here knows power overwhelming? Anybody?
I don't. What's that? Street Fighter?
No, it's a different game.
Mm.
StarCraft. There it is.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, there is this cheat you could put into StarCraft. It's called power overwhelming, where you take 0 damage. None of your little soldiers or anything, none of your units will die.
Dude, that sounds great. It sounds like the only way to beat that crazy ass game.
It's harder than reading the DOM for sure.
Yep. It's certainly more overwhelming.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I haven't played it since I was a little kid though. I
Well,
wonder
it's kind
how.
of like if you're playing like Protoss race, maybe you're trading like ES. If you're playing Terran, maybe like gold. But if you're playing Zerg, those little you know, you guys know what Zerg is. You're trading the NQ ladder for sure. With like 250 Arval. Just brain is melting, and you can't even tell if you're winning.
Pressing. This is so nasty.
Yep.
What an evil day.
They're leaving a lot of failed buying in the dirt.
Uh-huh.
So what happens? The first clue was those 82s to 84s, and then it was the 74, 75s. That kind of buying should have been able to pull the market up, but they just couldn't.
Yep. Lost its weekly at 935 too. That sucks. It's gonna be a tricky. Yeah, that was that rejection. I see it.
Might have got a perfect cover in gold. Lucky.
Nice. Good.
Yeah, it's going down again.
That's living right.
I gotta pay for Jim's crazy wine somehow.
Man, this is gonna be one nasty Leo stat if it works.
It's you and Nick tomorrow morning, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what they give you guys. Set you up for a nice Friday. Zergling ladder.
Man, they have left all the squiggly lines in the dust too.
Yeah, they are far back there. Well, if you guys hate this, please hit the likes. If you guys love it, please hit the likes. I feel like I haven't really been begging for likes as much, so I gotta go ahead and get in front of that before I leave.
That's fair. Yep. Get one. I mean, you're gonna be gone for 2 weeks. That's like 10 days. So you got to plug.
Just
You
some
got to get
last
like
minute
20
business.
plugs in.
Yeah, last minute business. Tying up loose ends before I go. Make sure the house is in order before I head out.
We're gonna leave the most ridiculous single print now. Yeah, previous week high 68.42. Maybe it'll give me a chance to buy that.
We're coming into. Does ES have the box approaching? The mega proprietary box? Because NQ's got one in the 860s, starting 860s.
Nah.
You know the box.
68.28 for
28.
It's like forever.
Oh, it's like wait. Oh yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
28 to 21. This is a smaller range box. I will say that much.
Yeah.
Even NQ's isn't that crazy.
I wonder if I can be convinced to
To long the box?
No. I'm not. Nope. I'm not doing any of that stuff. Nope. If it V's out of here, fine. But it can V without me. There's not a single bit of this PA that tells me to buy this right now.
I think they'll show up in the box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
A million buyers. That's what's in the box. 6 million buy orders.
Well, there were a million buyers a lot of this whole way down,
Yeah.
but unfortunately, there was just 1,000,001 sellers, and that's all it took. Just a blink, blink, right down. I mean, even your squiggly lines all the way up at like 72. We are light years away from all the squiggly lines. I find myself wondering if I'm going to short 65, maybe.
Like right here?
We'll see.
It's working
Wait
with
for the
some,
IB.
it's working with some pretty good buying right now. From that low. Buying starts creeping in what, like 658? Or I mean, yeah, 858. They are buying this until they can't anymore.
Right. Okay, there's IB. Miles away. Nah. I think a spot that probably makes more sense is like 880, but if we get back above this, maybe I will.
880 or 80 ES for an offer?
I will just do a quick one. Just a quick one between friends.
They might offer it sooner.
Put this baby down here at the gap fill, just see if we can grab it. Sometimes ES does nice stuff like this.
I'm gonna try a short here.
You too?
Yeah, I think
too,
it's
Brute?
it's yeah,
Oh,
no,
boy.
it ain't working. No way. No way.
Not yet. I mean, they're absorbing it up here, but yeah, there's definitely somebody crossing the spread now. About frickin' time.
Yeah, no.
Let me zoom in, see if I can find them. Yeah, I mean, this is blue team.
Do you guys pay attention to pivot points? I don't have pivot points. If that's
I
a
mean,
particular study, I don't know.
I say the word pivot a bunch.
Yeah.
It's not specifically speaking about anything in particular, but I do say it.
Trying to see if I should add on to this, give it a little bit more room. There's buying that's not really moving right now.
Yeah. We'll see what happens when the 66 guy gets filled. They're stacking up the offer a little bit, or the bid, I'm sorry. I'm so turned around today that I have mixed up the bid and the offer when describing stuff.
I think if they push this further, I'm gonna wait for another short, maybe 940, 950s, 950s NQ. Yeah, they're still buying, so I'm gonna wait that out.
Mm-hmm. Refreshing 68. Ooh. Some sweeping. Didn't get anywhere. Whoa, okay. There's more bid. 65, 75 now. Double the size.
Super jumpy, yeah. I got
All
out
right,
of that.
that got me
Got
stumped.
out of that short.
Okay.
Let's see.
NQ's IB. Devil's work.
All right, I'm keeping an eye on these 940s, 950s here and see if any offer really shows up. If not, this thing's it's probably gonna move back through.
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit, little bit. Still building.
Here's our squiggly line on ES finally. This was kind of the breaking point here, too.
Ooh, we got a crystal ball in chat. Jonas says, "Told you earlier what's going to happen."
Thank you, Jonas.
What's happening next? What's happening next? Let us know.
My name is Jonas.
Oh, I got fat fingered myself in and out of a trade. My stop was like 2 points. I don't know what the hell that was.
Squiggly line working.
It's not a bad line.
Preventing
It's
the
not
bid.
a bad line.
I only like it when it's my friend. Just like most stuff. Real fickle like that.
I'm gonna give this a shot here. Add into it if it develops.
Let's see if NQ. Yeah, NQ is trying to get out of its weekly -1 here at 935, give or take. Let's see where ES is. Gotta look at this big chart. Oh yeah, ES is so far away. It's up at 68.90. Okay. 81 is the open. Ah, damn it.
They're still buying. You.
Oh, I hurt my foot so bad today, XY.
Huh?
Yeah, I hurt my
Hurt
foot
your
so
foot?
bad running. Yeah. I might have to
Running?
go to that dreaded D
You
word.
hurt your foot running?
I did. How dumb is that?
Someone says sold gold for 16 points.
What's that, like
Gold's pretty high up
$50,000?
there. 16 ticks, you mean? Because it's definitely not 16 points. Timu trades, I got him locked up in the basement. Man, this guy was going crazy.
That was a good bit, dude. Respect. Mad respect.
Dude, I hopped off the stream and I was like, it feels like I just stuck my head in a sauna for 2 hours.
I didn't watch this. Did you do the whole stream like
I
that?
did the whole stream
Insane.
wearing it. And I was like, it looks like I just got out of a sauna, but only for my head.
That's why you are the GOAT. That is insane work.
It's what it takes, man. It's what it
That's
takes.
what it takes. Yes, it's true. That's showbiz, baby. Okay. That's some weird order flow right there.
You finally got to the squiggly line.
That was odd. Yeah, a bunch of weird, little interesting back and forth there at 69. I don't know what these turkeys are doing. The
They're
VWAP from
selling.
that low is at like 66. So we'll see. We'll see here in a second if this is a real reversal with a pullback or if that was just a squeeze.
Yeah, this offer is pretty upset. NQ is seeing a lot of buying in these 30s right now. See what happens.
Okay. Yep, just watching this 66. It's not really in a hurry to do
If they run
much.
them over. There we go.
Short?
I'm short. I've been slowly kind of layering into this.
Okay.
My average is not the best. It's like a 34, but I'm finger on the flan. They get it done or coming
They're
at
trying.
us.
Really trying.
Yeah, they're really reloading the offer, but they're also really buying this thing. So I'm just kind of waiting to see who gets the
Tricky.
upper hand. And either we're making tons of money or we're flattening this thing for a scratch. So it's a good scenario. It's a good situation to be in.
Yep. We got a 19. Dealer's got a face card. Got to play.
Here we go. And then I doubled the 19 and I got a 29.
Nice.
You guys don't know how I play.
Sir,
If not 21, I double.
You can play any other game in here.
Sorry, but it's for your own benefit, sir. So we're getting some good continuation, but I'm still finger on the flattened button because the buying has not really gone away. They're just getting pushed. I want to see the buying just get out the way for a second. And
I want you to get that new low.
That would be nice. I'm not holding all 4 of these for a new low, though. I'll tell you that much. I want a good flush, and I'll probably cover half on a good flush. I'm willing to die with these at break even too, so. It's either going to be a higher low and a complete move up, or we make a new low. Still not covering. Maybe 15 points lower. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
We've got really thin volume leading down to 902s. So I'm going to try to see if they can work down there. Buying is stepping up again. Yeah, so either we can work down to closer to 900s and I'll cover, or if I see an offer that's no longer reloading, I will also cover some. I'm looking to cover at least 2 wherever we go next. Sorry, guys. I'm just like staring at the dollar right now. I cannot see chat.
Yeah, same.
But I'm looking for 02s, 01s, right? 09s.
You look good, dude. Looking good.
Yeah, this is really aggressive tape still.
Yep.
They're stalling a bit.
I can't
I'm gonna
believe
take
they
2 here.
smoked
I'm
me.
gonna go down to 2. Break even these. Set some limit orders for a new low. Let's see if I can get a cover in the O2s. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Let's get out of our third in the O2 here.
They got some stuff at 900 for you.
All right. We're not covering at the lows anymore. We're holding this. We're going to trail this thing to, I don't know. Let's go high time frame. Maybe the weekly open right above it. All right. So we got 3 covered. Hell yeah.
Yeah, no real way for me to get on that. I thought I saw it with the IB, but no, I did not. I'm trying to
No, this is
get through the
NQ.
62.
Gold's pretty strong still. Anime Secret Lover, I traded so much gold today, you wouldn't believe it. If he says gold, why not gold? You would not believe
So
how
much
much gold I
gold.
traded.
It'd make you sick. That
I
much
just got
gold.
out of a 20-point gold long, actually. So
There's some bid. On NQ anyway. ES didn't really care for that in the same way.
I'll get more shorts right now if they don't step up.
That was a good rejection at 25, 30.
Yeah, I'm back in 4 lots short.
Nice, nice.
Give this 12 points stop. Finger on the flatten, as always. If I can scratch this out break even as a worst case scenario, I am happy. So we'll see what they do here.
Did they fill that 900 guy? They did get him, right? Yeah, they did.
They didn't go to 900 yet, just above it.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, well,
902,
that's always
901
sus. Yep.
was that volume. So we're going down with it. Let's see. So once again, I will be staring at the DOM, guys. So do not want to lose any money on this trade.
Stay on it, baby. Yeah, we're just
Gotta
ping
tell the
ponging between
sellers,
this
man.
910, 925.
I got stuff to buy in Japan.
That's right.
I have to scratch this out. All right, I'm scratching it out. Break even. They had it for a sec, then they
I
dropped the
still
ball.
like it. It's not, yeah, it's just like,
Yeah, that's 2 attempts down there. No go. I think this could come back. But I think I've made a pretty penny today. I'm gonna call that my last trade
cool.
and get my last trade before I leave to Japan. So you guys are great, but why do you short the lows? Better buy it back. Well,
Oh,
when the market
geez.
is constantly making new lows, how do you know it's the low? So it's kind of like if the market's trending up, you can buy the high now, but it's going to be a new high. That's the idea. So I'm not really like in the interest of, I don't really fade markets like that. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, trying to buy this down here it would definitely be a fade of what's happening at the moment. Not to say it can't just fly out of here, but
Right.
yeah, but there ain't there anything encouraging about this? Let's see, is that 900
I
still
think my
going?
view is pretty plain and simple.
900
It's
still 72 sitting there.
I wouldn't want to buy it if I see buying that's not able to push price up. That just means there's still more supply in the market. If there's too much supply in the market, it's gonna go down. Oh yeah. Josh Platinum has a great question. He says, XY, you're great, but have you considered changing your style to not make money?
That would be weird.
I've considered it a few times. I just ultimately decided not to.
Nights like these tear me apart. Oh wow, it's already 5 minutes till the algo. That's
I
crazy.
just traded the morning stream and then like maybe half an hour before our stream, right? And I feel like I've traded 3 days.
Yeah, this has been exhausting.
There's a lot of trades flying out today on my end. So
Yep.
I'm ready to call it. That's for sure.
Yep. I'm gonna be hitting that weighted blanket up after this one. Got
Weighted
that nice.
blanket, and then you
Oh, yeah.
right next to you was like a bucket of ice and Modelo's.
Nah, not on a Thursday. That's just vacation mode. We gotta do dad stuff today.
Thursdays is Miller Lite. I got you. Gotta be reasonable.
Not a bad beer, Union made. Dude, they're gonna
XY
smash.
want to swap styles. You should change your charge to white so you could be as good as TT was this AM. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that again. I got to desk and I see this guy in a mask and I'm getting flashbanged because whatever he's looking at on the screen is so bright. I had to fix that right away. As soon as I threw him in the basement, I had to fix my charts.
Nastiest offer ever. New low.
New low.
For ES, not for NQ yet.
NQ is gonna do it. It's got to do it. The tape is so angry.
Yep. Whew. And my girls turned up the furnace and they are cooking me in the office right now. Let me tell you what. It's tough stuff out there for being a dad.
Guys, I don't know if this is the right play to or right place to hash this out now. Every day, I get tons of DMs, right, about coaching, Discord, whatever. It's not, I don't have anything. Okay. Right now I just got a DM that says when I'm back, someone says, can I get maybe 15 to 20 minutes to ask some Dom questions? Happy to pay. The thing is, I don't want to charge for that.
Mm.
I know there's a lot of interest. It's tough because while I don't want to charge for giving 15 to 20 minutes of Dom advice, which had happily do to a broader audience to just broadcast it all at once, not to just one person. That's a better use of my time, right? And I don't want to make a Discord because then I have to moderate it.
Yes.
So what is the solution? Do we do a Twitter Spaces? Like what do we do?
So I think like obviously I'm pretty against selling anything just because I'm an anarchist or whatever.
Also, chat, on that note, I am the opposite of Stowe. I will sell something. We are on the opposite ends of this capitalism thing, and we could be buds. You got to understand that.
You actually, chat, you should
I
take a
will-
lesson here.
I
This
will
is a very good point.
absolutely sell you a Discord if and when I decide I'm not too lazy to actually do one. Right now, I'm way too lazy. It's not gonna happen. Write a book. I have a playbook, sure. YouTube live stream. To buy Jose's course, maybe later. Leave it unmoderated.
Oh my gosh.
I'll get into trouble somehow. You guys will get me into trouble. But
Hey,
I'll
plus.
I'll connect with Stowe on some ideas.
In a second, hon. Sorry, I'm still in trade.
She wants to manage your trade, man.
You want to talk to the people?
Risk desk.
You can't. Yes, you can in 5 minutes. Okay, Jim will be back in 5 minutes. Is that a deal?
Oh, she
Attention
wants to talk to
traders.
Jim?
It's algo time.
She
Trying
wants
to
to
wait for
talk
this
to Jim?
algo.
See, StreamYard broadcast live to X. Interesting.
There it is.
Ooh.
That's an A plus. Good job, hon.
10 out of 10.
Woo! They said they gave you a clap. They said everybody said congratulations. That's amazing.
So cute, man.
You can? Yep.
She's
That's
so
right.
happy,
That's what they're
man.
saying. Yeah, she is. She is. She's watching. She looks at the. I read her the comments section the other day, and she was like, "All these people said my name. That's crazy." Yeah, you guys made her day.
Ask the quant where we are closing. Ask her
Okay.
this, Stowe.
Come back.
Ask her this. Are the lows in? Yes or no? Oh, she's gone.
Yeah, she's gone. Like the wind.
Yeah, we'll try to figure something out.
She's
So
gonna close here.
for specific DM, I don't want to charge for something like that, but I don't want to do it for one person. I would happily do that if I could just do that for like make better use of everyone's time and just bang that out to multiple people at once rather than just one. So
Yeah, that was my that's my thing. I think there's a creative way that we can pull it off without having
So
to.
this is the thing. Hopefully while I'm gone, I mean it's gonna be 2 fucking weeks. Excuse the language. Maybe the
What is
chart,
this, on
maybe my
Central Thursday?
playbook, maybe my playbook will be out and we'll do a thing where I will, touch up on some stuff in the playbook. Maybe that will be more streamlined or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But you guys gotta hit the likes though, at least
Yes.
in the chat and in the stream.
But no, we'll get you sorted. I know that we talk a lot about, a lot of Dom stuff, and we want to share that stuff with you, and we want to do that part of this education. So, I mean, we're working on it. I promise.
Yeah. Stowe wants everything free. I say hell no.
I do. I want everything free because it gives me the ability to talk as much shit as I want to. So that's the primary reason. It's a selfish reason, but it's there.
PTT's got everything, guys. You got both ends of the spectrum. You've got anti-establishment, anti-capitalism, and then you got me. It's like, no, I'm gonna charge for something. I just haven't figured out what it is yet. This is gonna be something, but it won't be for a couple minutes of a Dom review. That's for sure.
Just so much hate selling still.
Phoenix.
Off that 35.
I apologize, Phoenix.
Wrong.
You guys are not only the best traders I have seen online, but also the most conscious. We're definitely not the best. I promise you that.
Nope.
Most conscious, maybe.
What's that mean? Like we're awake?
Yeah, there's already a ghost in the machine. Maybe I'll be like the fork in the machine.
Oh, XY. Very good dad joke. I appreciate you.
Yeah, you guys forget I was last in the arena. Like, I don't know what you're even gonna do with this playbook.
All right, double or nothing, algo. I'll be surprised. I mean, I will be damned if we're just gonna close down. It's totally possible. Because we got Apple and what's after
Actually,
Apple and
dude,
Amazon?
isn't this is the SMT, man? Because look at
So I think it
this.
means NQ is gonna make a new low. Is
I
that
don't
the
know.
thing?
I actually don't know.
I don't
That's
know
all I
either.
had. This is the SMT. That's as far as it goes. Because on ES, this diagonal line, right? It goes down. I don't have ES chart, so I can't show you guys, but it does this, right? Because ES made a new low.
Yeah.
But NQ is this. Yep. NQ is this. So
We're
it
definitely
means
doing things.
something will
40,
happen.
15.
Oh, relative strength only. Okay. So if you want lower, you're shorting ES because, okay, that makes sense because ES worked out.
I knew I didn't understand it.
Oh, so it's just relative strength. It's literally just relative strength. Finding the weaker. Okay. Makes a lot more sense now.
All right. ES found made another low by a tick. No new low for NQ. Right where I'm at. Yeah, I guess just close it down here, huh? We're gonna make 61 the point of control. Is that the plan?
I don't even think they're done trading below the 55s. Looks kind of heavy. It definitely looks heavy, yeah.
Yep. Yep. Still so heavy.
It's really heavy. Yes.
The NQ needs that low. Yikes. There's somebody.
Well, the tricky part, Cajun, is when you say the market's got to do something, they will make sure that they don't do it.
Yep. Jim.
Guys,
What's up, Jim?
I like that they let us know in real time when they're about to plug somebody in now.
Yeah.
Makes it a lot more smooth.
Because I'm not watching the thing.
you don't like to be snuck up on?
Not particularly. I mean, the last time I let my guard down, some dude in a mask took over my desk and turned all my screens white.
Wow. Well, we're gonna get some news here in a minute, you guys. I know we're not close
Yes.
yet. We got a couple more minutes here, and it looks like Nancy's just trying to get to the bottom of the barrel right now.
Yep, they both are. Digging quickly.
Yeah. So the Dow, I think, is where where is I think first up is going to be Amazon. I don't think we're going to stick around for Apple because
No,
that's
Apple
not going to
takes
be till
forever.
4:30. Yeah.
All
But
right, there's
Amazon will
NQ's
be up.
NQ's new low.
I think we got to look at the Dow for that too.
Leo Stat wins again.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, everything it was, this morning everything was red. Right now everything's red except gold, platinum, palladium, and silver.
Okay.
So the metals turned around. They did
Good to
turn around.
know.
Not copper. Dr. Copper's not feeling well.
Why do they call it that, Jim? Have I ever asked you that? Because it's
Yeah. I
the
mean, it's
health of the market or something.
health of the global economy.
Oh, okay.
Since copper was, it's used for everything. That's the idea.
Okay.
So Tracy said, "Oh my God." Yeah. So I mean, I don't know who made that up. As a matter of fact, we're having Dan Graham's on tomorrow morning. He uses that all the time.
Dr. Copper?
He calls copper futures Dr. Copper. That's where
cool.
I learned it from about 3 decades ago. And then he calls the yen Mr. Yen.
Okay.
I don't know why. Anyway, here we go.
Yeah, Amazon's after the bell, right? And then Apple is some other time, for like 420 or something
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah, it's a little bit later. We're not going to stick around for that, but we'll see if
Okay.
we could get a little bit of love out of this. There's the bell. Out of this. You know, when I was looking at the Dow this morning, just because it's a Dow component, these are Dow component stocks, and we had the first 30 minutes that, you know, it was just a ginormous green candle. That's a technical term for really big.
I'm selling down here. Holy crap.
Yeah. Anticipation.
Senor Yen.
Yeah. So we'll see. Market imbalance was pretty strong at the end of the day. It didn't show up though.
I mean, I think this close is a
Oh.
good example for, I forgot who was saying in chat earlier about why we would consider shorts still as the
Yeah.
market drifts lower. I mean, look what has happened, right?
Yeah.
You try to fade a market, you will probably be crushed. The thing is, use your inputs, whether it's candles or order flow or this or that or squiggly lines or a moon cycle. Use your inputs to decipher who's getting rewarded, right?
Yeah.
So who's moving price? It's going to be right now, it's sell side. How good of a job are they doing? They're doing well enough where the buy side can enter the market and get nothing done. So it's always as price is sliding down.
Is Amazon out?
Is
I'm
this
looking at
Amazon?
my cheat sheet. Something's moving something here.
Well, Tracy says someone might have gotten it early.
That's often the case.
Oh, it's out. It's out.
All right. Let's see what we get here on the ticker.
I just want to get above this 75 guy.
Personal vendetta?
Dude, we're getting there though.
No, I just wonder what he's up to up here.
73.
Did you see that?
Amazon's a beat, she said.
Okay.
What's she doing back there, Stowe? You didn't see
Oh,
that?
is
You didn't see
Willow,
her?
no, is Willow hiding from me? She does
Dude,
this
that's
all
why I
the time.
started laughing. She did like a little sneak by.
You playing a trick? Oh, yeah. Well, come say hi. Jim's here. You can talk. Come here.
Is that
Hey.
Willow? Is Willow here?
You don't want to?
Willow wants to tell you
75.
what happened with Amazon.
We hit the 75s.
Yes, we did.
Net sales 180. Ooh. So it's a beat.
Yeah. Net sales 100 and it only beat though by 3
Small
billion.
margin.
Crazy.
Up 9%. How did Meta do today? Where did it close?
Let's put it this way. I'm not buying Meta glasses now.
That was our big investment. That's what we were going to do before the Vegas trip so we could film all of our hijinks, Jim.
ChatGPT told me to wait for the next version.
Okay.
And I believe everything ChatGPT says.
That makes sense. I
I
always
mean,
wait, too.
technically, wouldn't it always say that then? As long as there will be new versions.
I'll have to watch this back and see what Willow was doing. Was she giving me bunny ears? That's
Dude,
what
it
I
was
do.
so
That's what I
funny.
do to
You
her.
know how, like in the old school cartoons, like the Pink Panthers, they'll be sneaking like their backs against the wall though, and they're kind of like just sneaking
Yep.
across.
Yep.
What she did
Yeah, that's what she
behind your
does.
chair, just out of nowhere.
Meta closed down 11%, Shai said.
Holy Moses.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's big.
Okay, so they closed at their lows
Yeah.
from the morning.
Yeah, Jason confirmed. Thanks, Jason. Well, we got a little bit of a lift though, but those 75s are doing whatever you
Yep.
think 75s are supposed to do because they're doing it.
Yep.
They're doing what they did earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we had a bad day across the board. The Bitcoin just not good.
Frowny face.
I'll have to pull up my
We're fighting a
crypto.
double bottom in the Bitcoin. We could go a little bit lower, I think. But you know, bad days do come in threes, right? Bad news comes in threes, so we'll see.
I saw Chipotle. Yeah, Phoenix says not as bad as Chipotle. I have a really good Chipotle here. Oh,
My news feed is so bad, I still do not have the Apple's earnings on it.
it's okay.
Oh.
They wait. They don't put them out until like 420, right?
Tracy says Apple earnings are supposed to not be a beat, so they're baking in a miss,
Okay.
is what you're saying. So today, what's Apple at today? Like, are they up? Are they down? It's got to be down, right? I mean, NQ went down.
Everything went down. Yeah. What's up today after that mess?
Gold?
That was crazy. Gold.
Gold. I'm
Sure.
glad you asked. I'm glad you asked.
Dang it.
How about you refer to my chart here?
Jim, they're
Glad
gonna
you
make me
asked.
trade gold. I'm gonna have to trade gold eventually.
Well, what happens when we get single stock futures on Amazon?
I'm stoked. Well, not for Amazon. I will trade Tesla. I will trade Nvidia for
If
sure.
there's
If
enough
there's enough liquidity.
So
That's
I
you're
will trade like 7 markets.
Yep.
I will do it.
Yep. I will watch order flow for all of that stuff.
well, we got to get order flow
it
to
me.
start. I mean, last time we tried this about 20 years ago at an exchange called One Chicago, order flow was like 3.
Oh, okay. Well, then I can't do it.
It's just one guy and his friend testing out the system. Like, hey, put
There
your
was like
offer
3
here.
market makers fighting with each other. It was bad, but One Chicago wasn't. They set it up for that, and it was a fail. But now with CME behind it,
Times
it might
have
be
changed,
successful. So
for
we're
sure.
pumped up about it for sure. CME's got some chops here. So, all right, guys, listen. Thanks for hanging out overtime with us today on NinjaTrader Live. We had a great day.
Yeah.
We had a great week. Let's get some thumbs up and some subscriptions for these 2 young men, XYZ and Stowe 42. Appreciate you guys and everything you do. 100%.
Thank you, buddy.
Tomorrow, we're not done yet. We're going to finish strong on Friday. Friday's my favorite morning of always now because we have Dan Grams as our special guest, folks. A lot of you in the chat know Dan. He's been around a long time, and we'll probably talk about gold, soybeans, and some stuff like that. So looking forward to see Dan as a special guest. And then Capital Preservation Friday, Ferragamo Friday, Unfiltered Friday with PAX, whatever you want to call it.
You
Nickname
gotta
Friday.
say it like this.
And then midday markets, Stowe's coming back for more. He's not done yet. This guy's not done. His weekend is not starting yet. He's got one more day and Nick is going to join him too.
Yeah, me and Nick are gonna chill. But that's not work for me. I love Friday. I would do Friday for free. Don't tell Shab.
And don't forget, Nick
Working for free now.
Nick, Shab, did you hear that? Nick is working. Nick is going to be trading on the challenge on Monday, so he's going to need to get his head right and ready to go.
That's cool. I mean, I'll talk to him about Xyzeee. That was my big weakness, not having a good understanding of Xyzeee. Also trying to trade the Xyzeee micro instead of the actual Xyzeee.
Yeah.
So yeah. So there was a little gamesmanship going on there, and Jade knew everything there was to know about the euro. So
Yeah.
I was like,
When you're talking about the record holder, you know what I mean?
I am. Yes.
We are streaming in good company.
We'll see how it goes. It'll be fun. It'll be a lot of fun. We're gonna have a great time. But really, let's one day at a time. Tomorrow morning, Friday, everybody. Looking forward to having everybody here again. Thanks for being here. Appreciate everybody in the chat. Super cool, great chat. Best chat there is. I've been doing this a long time. Best community. Thank you for listening wherever you are and whatever device you're on. Appreciate the subscriptions, of course. Having said that, most important message of the day: please be safe out there. Be good to each other. See you soon.
Thanks, chat.
See you in 2 weeks, chat.